Hello everyone, the first vlog of the new year. How is everybody doing? I hope that everyone had a pleasant break over the holidays. And I myself took a little break from vlogging. Only because I wasn't sure, still not sure, on what content I should share. Because even though the year looks hopeful and optimistic, at present we are still under restricted social measures. I definitely want to keep sharing informational, if not travel-related content. And for today, we are at Pillar Point Bluff in San Mateo County, which is about 30 miles south of San Francisco. We are here to enjoy the clear, sunny day, wide open space, and fresh air. And also to celebrate my baby dog Bailey's birthday. He's turning 5. As our tradition, we normally try and explore a new hiking spot on his birthday. Although today is not actually his birthday, it's tomorrow, which happens to land on Super Bowl Sunday. So today is a pre-birthday celebration where friends I haven't seen since Christmas will be joining us. And like any good party, we have edible party favors. These are peanut butter stuffed double chocolate chip cookies. Park in there! Can you park in there or no? They're here! If you haven't seen the baking vlog of this cookie, I will link it up to this video. Can you park in here? We've begun our hike and it turned out to be a nice warm day. And there are the friends! I put some boots on Bailey and he's already missing one. Such a beautiful day today. I don't think... Oh, or maybe we probably hiked a mile in and we just keep stopping for the views. Such incredible views over here. I wish I can drone over here. I haven't droned for almost a year now, I want to say. But we are, or this park is located next to the airport, so I can't drone because of the restrictions. There are sea lions or seals down there. It looks like it's low tide, so they're just romping around. We are at the Half Moon Bay Brewing Company.
Ringo is down back to 15 pounds.
Having some early lunch or maybe brunch. This is the first time I've eaten in a restaurant in 8 months. I'm excited. All right, we just finished having lunch with friends, and I've definitely missed being out with friends and having lunch outside or in a restaurant. And so on our way home, we ran into this fabulous field right here. Look at that. And we're back at home. And there's one more thing left to do. Make Bailey's birthday cake, of course. When I'm not at work, I'm still baking away. And I've made some progress on the degrees of difficulties in my bake. And I've mostly shared those efforts in my Instagram and my Facebook page. So check those out. I'm going to be making a mini loaf cake. I'm actually not sold on making regular human cakes just as of yet, because ideally I really want to get good at baking cupcakes, piping, and decorating before I tackle regular cakes. That's why I'm just going to make a mini loaf cake for Bailey. All right, let's bake. This recipe is by Recipe Tin Eats. Although I had to downsize the ingredient amounts for a party of one, since Bailey will be the only one enjoying this cake. Or I hope, at least I hope he does. So I'm gonna go ahead and combine all the ingredients together. Peanut butter. And now I'm going to whip them all together. Now I'm going to add my shredded carrots. And instead of using my mixer, I'm just going to do everything by hand to combine the rest of the ingredients. Now my flour. Last but not least, the baking soda. And this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to transfer this batter into these mini loaf pans. I'm going to do it on 2 just so I can make a layer cake. All right, all done. Now I've preheated the oven at 350, and once that's done, we're going to leave these in there for about 20-25 minutes. Wow. That's how they came out. Looks nice. Now I'm going to cool them off on a cooling rack and wait until they're room temperature before I start on the frosting. All right, so the loaves have cooled. It turned out pretty well. I am happy with it. And as that was cooling, I had boiled 2 potatoes, 1 sweet potato and 1 regular potato. What drew me to this recipe was the frosting. So the frosting consists of potatoes and yogurt. And I'm to combine these 2 together until I get a frosting-like consistency. Let's see how that turns out. And this is how the frosting looks like. I hope that's pipeable. But right now, what I'm going to do is just sort of spread it all over my layer cake, and then I'm going to pipe decorations on top. So this is how the cake looks so far. It's a good thing that naked cakes are a trend, because that's as clean as I can get it without the cake falling apart. Now I'm going to pipe some decorations on the top, and I'm using an extra large star tip just so I'll be sure that it'll come out. All done. And I sprinkled some bacon bits on top. So I am going to place this in the fridge because Bailey's birthday is tomorrow, and so he is going to chow down on this tomorrow. So until the next bake, or the next travel, or the next event, from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.